Good morning all. We're in Deal in Kent on a Monday morning. Very bright and sunny, lovely day. Working on this Nissan Qashqai. We've been called in because they've had this customer's vehicle in that is had a boost pressure pipe replacement, and it's got a severely blocked DPF. So I've been called in to basically do a DPF clean on it. Very blocked up. This is a 1.5 DCI. The pressure coming off of this, we're estimating, we can't get an actual reading off it, but you can see it. We're estimating it's about 1.3 bar at idle. Not even going to try measuring it at high revs. Don't know if I'll be able to do this or not. Coming up error 2 on the manometer. We'll see what it is after the clean. Stage 1 flush after an hour and a half of dwelling of the chemical. And this is the final flush. You can see all the foam, and I don't know if you can see that, actually the liquid that's come out there. Pretty grumpy stuff. Next we'll check the pressure just to make sure that it's down fully and reset the computer. Okay, so final pressure reading on the DPF for the Nissan Qashqai. It was approximately 1.3 bar at idle. And we're now at 7.5, 8, which is a fantastic result, right down at manufacturer's specification.